Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dimpy. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel and into this video. Today's video, we are going to be doing a Michael Kors unboxing. I have a huge Michael Kors box here. I don't think it even fits into the frame. So we're just gonna leave the box over here and I'm just gonna be doing an unboxing. Now this is a true unboxing. I have not really seen this bag. I've not really opened it, so I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. But before I do that, I do want to quickly mention that I am testing out this new sound. You guys may have noticed how I'm wearing this mic today. It's my first time trying this out. Hopefully it works. Let me know what you guys think of the sound quality, if you can actually feel the difference between my previous videos and today's video. I'm just curious to see. It's in the testing phase right now, so if it's not working, then I want to change it and make the sound better. So let me know down below what you guys think. But coming back to the unboxing, so this is the bag and I ordered it, I believe, last week. This was when they were having their Black Friday sale, so it took them a while to actually send it over to me. I don't know why, but I'm just going to quickly show you the name of the bag. So it says Mercer Gallery in black. And I don't know if I've ever mentioned, but I love the Mercer line of Michael Kors. I have so many bags from Mercer, particularly the Mercer line from Michael Kors. And this particular bag I actually do own in another color. So I'll quickly show you. So here is my Mercer Gallery. This is actually called Color Black because there's two different colors going on here. And I love this bag. I think I may have spoken about this on my channel. I've not really done like unboxing or anything like that about this bag because I got it like a while ago. Like it's been, I think, about 3 years or at least 2.5 years is when I got this one, and I love it. I use it all the time. It's just so nice. It's got 3 big pockets and then it's also got a strap. So I love this bag, and then I was looking to add another one of these into my collection and I saw this one go on sale for Black Friday, so I just had to order it. So here is that bag. Now I'm gonna be honest, without even opening the bag, I kind of just know that this one may not even work for me. And that is because if you see the top portion here, I don't know if you can tell, but the handles are really squished. I mean, they already look like they're deformed. If you see this bag over here, I mean, it's essentially the same bag. And if you see this bag over here, see how the handles are. I mean, the handles are really strong, they're sturdy, and I feel like for handles like this, once they're deformed, I don't think there's any way to go back. I mean, if it's a usual strap, then it's pretty malleable and you can just kind of twist it and just leave it like that for a while and it should be okay. But for this one, I just don't know. But yeah, well, I guess we'll unbox and see how it goes. So here it is. So here is the bag. Alright, so here is the bag, and obviously the handles are deformed. I mean, look at the difference. You see? I don't know. It's just odd. I mean, I don't know if I just continuously hold the bag like this or if I hang it like this, if the handles are gonna go back to its original shape. But I'll just quickly show you up close so you guys can see how the handles are. Like I said, they're kind of sturdy and they're good handles. But I also want to show you the interior of the bag. So just like the other one, it's got 3 different pockets with a middle zippered section. So there it is. So here's the interior of the bag. So So it's very roomy, like I was telling you earlier. It's a very nice bag. And I honestly do really like the bag, but I'm not going to bother removing any of the plastics from here and here because I just don't know if this bag is going to work out for me just because of the handles. I mean, they do look kind of odd and kind of funny looking, at least right now, but we'll see how this one goes. But like I said, it does come with a strap. I think I did show you the strap of the other one, but it does come with an adjustable strap just like that. So I'm pretty sure, just because I know this strap does work for me, so I know that this one is going to work as well. And I don't know if I mentioned, but this one is the Mercer Gallery in the medium size. So I don't know if this one ever came in the large size, but it did come in the smaller size, which I think it's a good size as well, but a little small for my needs. But yeah, that's basically my unboxing. I mean, the bag is good. I really like the bag. I know it's just not as exciting because of the handles, and I kind of knew that just by looking at the packaging and how it came. And this is actually surprising because I actually had ordered this one as well, and this one came so nicely packaged. This one was really good, and I really like that bag. But this one, I just don't know yet. And I also see like some dents and stuff in the back, which I'm not actually too concerned about because it's just leather, and I feel like if I stuff it up, then it probably will come out. But it's just the handles that is just kind of odd, you know, especially I think the back handle. Like if you see the back one here, it's just weird. It's just totally deformed. But yeah, I really like the bag though. I love the black color. It kind of goes with everything. I just really love it. I think this over here is the pebble leather, and then in the corner here is the smooth leather. So it's a nice combination. I do love the bag, of course, but I just don't know if I'm going to be keeping it yet. So yeah, that really does it for today's unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I actually do have one more Michael Kors unboxing coming. It's also another black bag, and I think that one's also called Mercer, but that one is Mercer. Actually, I'm not going to tell you the name. I'm going to keep it a surprise so you guys can come in, tune back in, and watch that unboxing. I'm just going to say that that one is also called Mercer something. So hopefully I see you guys again next week when I do this unboxing. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching today's video, like I said. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram. I post lots and lots of reels and pictures and all that fun stuff. So definitely follow me there. I'll see you guys in my next video very, very soon. I know I said that already. Like, I always do that. I always say it again and again. But finally, I'm going to say it one last time, and that's it. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel, watching this video, always supporting me and subscribing, which, by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing down below. Let me know in the comment box down below whether you would keep a bag like this with handles deformed, especially if you really, really like the bag. Let me know what you guys think. But other than that, it really does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my gosh, I said it again. I'm going to stop now. Take care. Bye.